Guys, naghanap ka ba ng TWS below 4,000 pesos na magandang performance? Pwes, andito na sa aking kamay ang Huawei Freebuds 6i. This one has a really great na ANC, plus meron siyang high-res audio, and ang ganda ng kanyang playback time at around 35 hours ang kaya nabigay sa'yo, kasama yung kanyang case. This device is so small and it looks really premium. And after 2 weeks of testing, right now gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang full experience ko with these buds. So hang in there. Now, itong Huawei Freebuds 6i, meron siyang price point of 3,999 and you get a free protective case that's worth 399 pesos. And did you know pag sinuwerte ka, you can even buy this at a lower price point, below 3,000 pesos, guys. Tingnan nyo to, guys, so 2,999 and nakita ko lang to sa Lazada. So, just click on the link on the description box below before it runs out. So, quickly unbox lang natin para makita natin what's inside this box. Very simple lang siya, no? White box. And dito sa ilalim, it's just a color red na lining. So, pagbukas natin, this is what I got. Binili ko nga pala yung purple color kasi one of my favorite colors is purple. And you also got 2 other colors pa. May black siya and meron din siyang white. Inside the box, you have your warranty card and of course, your user guide. Meron ka rin Type-C na charging cable. And of course, you got some extra tips dito, large and small. By default, nakakabit is medium size. Hindi ko na kailangan palit kasi medium naman talaga gamit ko. And yun lang for the unboxing. Now, one of the first thing na napansin ko dito after buying this one, I'd say na, teka, pag open ko nito, the first thing that I realized is that yung design niya is almost similar sa aking Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. Yung buds niya, no, halos 10,000 pesos ko binili yun. And this one, halos kinopya na ang design niya. Look guys, so imagine mo just paying for around mga 3,000 plus pesos and you get a design na almost similar to a 10,000 plus na buds from Huawei. Not bad. Well, lugi ka lang kung bumili ka ng Freebuds Pro 2. Now, clamshell type siya, maliit lang siya, and it fits right inside my palm. So, yung kanyang pebble is really small. Ilalim ang kanyang charging dock. And on this side, nandito ang kanyang pairing button. Now, this is the design. I would say it really looks nice. I love the color. Maganda yung kanyang design. And it's a little bit smaller than yung kanyang Freebuds 5i. And one thing na gustong-gusto ko dito sa kanya is sobrang snug fit siya sa aking tenga. I love the way it is. It really feels good. And pagdating sa comfort fit, I have no problem dito sa Freebuds 6i. Now, one of the first thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya when pinasok sa loob sa akin tenga, sobrang snug fit. I love the way it is, sobrang smooth, and I don't feel any sort of irritability sa akin tenga. Now, when I'm in the gym, listening to my favorite music, okay na okay siya. Dahil this one has improved, giving you a deeper and more powerful bass, and to your liking. Kasi kung gusto mo medyo mas upbeat while you're running the treadmill, it simply gives you that music na hinahanap-hanap mo. And dahil this one is IP54 rated, so you don't have to worry pag nababasa sa loob ng gym. And another thing na sobrang hinahanap ko on a buds is sobrang tagal ng battery life. This one, hindi lang siya 20 plus hours. It can give you up to 35 hours of battery life. Meaning, you can play it more than a day without problem. Siguro, di ka na makikinig ng music for 24 hours straight, di ba? So, probably on a normal average user, this one can last you for 3 to 4 days without charging. Basta fully charge itong clamshell case mo. Now, one of the important app na gusto mo gamitin dito is the Huawei AI Lite. Now, it gives you the better experience when you're using it. Dahil this one, it can let you navigate, control, lahat ng gusto mong gawin dito sa kanya. On this app, it simply shows you kung ilang battery na iwan sa loob ng iyong case and ilang battery percent na iwan sa loob ng iyong buds. And when you scroll up, makita mo, you can control your noise cancelling dito. So if you want to check, pwede mo i-turn on na yung noise cancelling. And pag drop down mo dito sa menu mode, meron ka 3 modes na pwede mo pagpilian. By default, naka-dynamic siya. Sarili siya mag-a-adjust, no? But you can also use cozy, you can also use general for noisy place, and you can use ultra pag sobrang ingay at maraming marites around your corner. And personally, ginamit ko naman siya sa noisy place and yeah, it did improve. And medyo mas nabawasan palalo yung mga ingay sa paligid ko. Probably not sa mga construction site na sobrang ingay, no? But probably yung ingay na chatter from the people around you, kaya niya i-lower down ng husto. and probably yung mga noise ng aircon, noise ng electric fan, or other noise, it can put it to a minimum using yung ultra mode. I normally use yung ultra mode. Pwede mo rin siya ilagay sa transparency mode using the awareness mode, and pwede mo rin siya i-turn on yung voice mode kung gusto mo magsalita rin as well. So, yung parang kahit suot mo tong buds mo, parang nakipag-interact ka, wala ka problema. Parang kang walang suot. That's how I feel about this one. Now, meron din siya sound effects mode dito, so you can choose all of the different default modes dito. You have default mode, meron kang bass boost, treble boost, voice, symphony, and hi-fi live. Meron kang dalawang sound quality na pwede pagpilian dito. Either you can choose between prioritize yung kanyang connection quality. Pwede mo rin i-prioritize ang iyong sound quality. Lalo kung medyo malapit ka lang naman sa iyong phone, I think you better select yung prioritize sound quality to give you that better experience. And of course, this one is touch sensitive. You can double tap to answer any call. You can triple tap to select the next song. Pwede ka rin mag-press and hold to reject our call. Or you can simply swipe up and down, or you can swipe and down to adjust your volume. Pwede mo siya freely customize dito sa AI Life, by the way. Now, since sinabi ko naman sa inyo na okay ang kanyang fit dito sa aking tenga, try lang natin kung gaano kakapit sa aking tenga by doing a quick shake test that I always do. Tara, here goes. Ako pa yung nahilo eh. Oh, kapit na kapit pa. Oh, no problem. By the way guys, this one has high-res audio na wireless, giving you the better and richer sounds, lalo kung nakikinig ka sa mga high-res audio. This one can definitely deliver. Kasi I'm pretty sure ang makakasabi dito is mga audiophiles, by the way. And did you know guys, tinry ko siya i-pair dito sa GT4 ko. It was able to give me that good connectivity. Kasi the last time I hit gym, di ko dala phone ko. What I did is kinonect ko itong 6i ko sa aking GT4. And I have saved some songs dito sa aking watch and playback, and it was really seamless, and I don't really need to bring a phone sa gym. So hindi ko na kailangan mag-hit ng locker, lalagay pa sa locker ang aking phone. All I need to do is just simply enjoy the songs inside my watch, connecting to my Freebuds 6i, and it did its job. Eh sinabi ko naman kanina na it's IP54 rated, so you don't have really any problem sa kanya, lalo kung nagpapawis ka, when you're sweating heavily, kayang-kaya handle itong Huawei Freebuds 6i natin. So since sinabi ni Huawei meron siyang crystal clear audio, and by the way, na-test ko na siya talking to my friends over sa video chat or sa just a normal phone call, okay naman siya, clear naman siya, and active naman ka na noise cancelling. We'll try lang natin mag-record a quick video using itong buds na ito. So guys, itong video na ito is recorded using the Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and ang aking audio is using the Freebuds 6i. So right now, meron mga electric fan dito sa gilid ko, and we're just simply testing the audio using these buds. What can you say about the audio quality? Hit me on the comments. So ano masasabi ko sa inyo guys, this is definitely a good buds if you're looking for a really nice device below 4,000 pesos. And if you're lucky enough, you can even get this at below 3,000 pesos. Hindi ka talaga magsisisi dito sa Huawei Freebuds 6i dahil ang ganda ng kanyang audio. Second is that sobrang ganda rin kanyang noise cancelling, and sobrang ganda rin ng kanyang battery life dito sa buds na ito. You can't ask for more dahil nag-try ako maglaro ng games dito sa buds na ito, and it was able to deliver as well. I'm not quite sure kung meron siya low latency, but halos wala mo na feel na lag while playing Call of Duty Mobile. So if you're interested to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And it's up to this channel, it's definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.